Okay, so I felt like doing an unboxing video because I haven't gotten a box in a long time. And, you know, I've been having camera issues and SD card issues, so I haven't been able to do, like, a beauty video in a while. So I figured I might as well give y'all something. Come on, box. Technical difficulties. My parents do not play with this tape. Okay. 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 Alright. So, there we go. Yes, we got top ramen. We only get 2? Oh, this one we get everything. I got so many ramen. Yes, all the best. We got, let's see, what is this? Pop-Tarts. Bless. Bless. I don't even know how much this means. Like, this is great. Then we got another water bottle. Yes, I can throw my other nasty one away. Thank God. Because I've been sick so much that I need acetaminophen. More ramen. Wait, is this open? Yep, this one's open. I have to throw that away. Do I have to throw it away? Will I die? I'm desperate. I'm gonna keep it and put it in the bag. Okay, I got deodorant. Cool. Makes me realize that I have to clean. Ooh, I got like Post-its. I love Post-its. More Post-its. Popcorn. So many popcorns. I live for popcorn. I have to reorganize my whole thing. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh my God. I got spoiled. Look at all this. That's called spoiled. Sour Patch watermelon. Classics. Oh, I've been starving lately, so this is so helpful. Ferrero Rocher, which is my friggin' life. Right there. Which perfumes they asked for from back home? Did I just leave? I don't think so. Oops. Yes, my Calvin Klein perfume, which I love. And my Beyonce perfume. Yes. And then more body wash. So good. And then last I have this card. How cute is that? Oh, come on. Oh. Oh, he's so sweet. It's her birthday. Oh. I should have given her something. Damn. My parents are the actual best. This is so cool. Yes. Okay, so that's my little unboxing video for y'all. Hopefully it wasn't too weird or boring. I just, I need to put up something, and this seemed like something I could put up. So, yeah. Hope y'all enjoyed.